Yep, you seen the title, you seen that thumbnail. We're about to do slow cooker buffalo drumsticks. Yep, you thought I was gonna say chicken wings, right? Nope, but you seen the thumbnail anyway. We're gonna do them drumsticks today. You ready? Let's go. All right, so let's do a quick rundown of the ingredients. Right here, we have our chicken legs. I got some dry white wine here. Now, if you want to omit that, you can, but I like the flavor that this adds to this particular recipe. Right here, we have some buffalo sauce. This is Frank's Red Hot Buffalo Sauce, not the Frank's Red Hot Sauce. So, but if you got hot sauce and don't have the buffalo sauce, go ahead and use that, but I suggest you get the buffalo sauce. Right here, we have some vegetable oil, lemon juice, black pepper, salt, some minced garlic, some oregano. If you don't have oregano, you can use fresh parsley, barbecue sauce, and we got some honey here. So, all right, so these are the ingredients. Let's get started. All right, so you're gonna need a Ziploc bag. I so happened to find one here, so I'm glad I did, because you wanna make sure you put this in a Ziploc bag. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna add all our ingredients to our Ziploc bag with our chicken legs, all right? So I'm gonna start off here with our black pepper, our salt, our oregano, garlic. I'm gonna go in with our vegetable oil, lemon juice. Let's get that barbecue sauce in here. Get that honey, our white wine, and our buffalo sauce. And all we're gonna do is gonna seal that up. Make sure we get that air out of it. And we're gonna get this mixed around in here, making sure we get all those ingredients on our chicken pieces. So what we're gonna do now is put it in the refrigerator, let it marinate for 3 hours. Once it finishes, we're gonna come back, drop it in that crock pot, and we're gonna start the cooking, all right? All right, so we're about 3 hours in. Here's our chicken. We're at our crock pot. So all we're gonna do now is we're gonna take everything in the bag here, and we're gonna place it in our crock pot. So just pour the bag of sauce and chicken here in the crock pot, just like that. And we're gonna get our chicken arranged properly in here. And we're gonna cover this up. We're gonna cook it on low for about 3 to 4 hours until the chicken is tender. If you wanna cook it on high, you can do that for about 2 hours, 2.5 hours, but we're gonna cook it on low for 3 to 4 hours, all right? I'll see you guys in 3 to 4 hours. So while those drumsticks are cooking in the crock pot for 3 to 4 hours, this is a perfect time to let you know that this video is being sponsored by Skillshare. Now, Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for anyone who is like me that loves learning and wants to explore their creativity and learn new skills. Now, my belief is that we should invest in ourselves and our personal growth. So if you have a specific skill you're trying to learn, Skillshare is the perfect place for you to start. From photography to video editing, freelancing, and much more. You will be able to find classes that will match your goals and interests. If you're watching my channel, you have an interest in cooking delicious foods. Skillshare offers a variety of culinary art courses. So what are some of the benefits when you become a member of Skillshare? You get ad-free. This way you stay in your zone while exploring new skills. They also launch new premium classes each week, so it's always something new. And get this, their entire catalog is now available with subtitles in Spanish, French, Portuguese, and German. Now, I was interested in joining Skillshare to level up my YouTube marketing skills. Still having what I consider a small channel, I wanted to learn the different ways to get my videos in front of the right audience. And one of those ways is through SEO. I took a course called YouTube SEO, Rank and Compete in Search, taught by Colin Michael. What I learned from taking this course was new strategies on how I can get my videos to rank higher in search. And since Skillshare is sponsoring this video, the first 1,000 people to use the link in the video description below will receive a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. I want to thank Skillshare for sponsoring this video, and let's get back to cooking. All right, so we are about 4 hours in. Let's remove our top. Oh man, look at what we have right here. Let me see if I can pull one of them out just to see what they looking like. Oh man, take a look at that. Ooh-wee. So what I'm gonna do now is plate these up, get over to our cutting board, and take a final look so we can get into quality control. All right, so now we're on our cutting board. So what I'm gonna do, kind of top this off, I'm gonna add some green onions to kind of bring in a little color to this dish. And also some fresh chopped parsley. And guys, take a look at what we have here. That looks delicious. And there you have it. Slow cooker buffalo drumsticks or chicken legs, whatever you want to call it, guys. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section below. Also, I'm gonna put the measurements and ingredients in the video description below. And let's go ahead and jump into quality control so we can test them out, all right? All right, another episode of Quality Control, guys. Man, take a look at this plate of goodness, man. Good groceries, man. Good groceries. Now, I'm just gonna take one off of this plate and I'm just gonna try it out. So I'm just gonna pull one off. I'm gonna pull this baby off right here. Move that to the side. Guys, let me show you this. Let me show you the baby I got. Look at that. Ooh. Now you can just bite into it if you want to, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick my fork in it and my knife, and I'm just gonna cut off the side. We know that, and it's tender too. You already know, oh man. Guys, this coming right off the bone. Right off the bone. Oh, let's take a bite. Melts in your mouth. Let's get another one. This is good. I'm gonna tell you, I'm not even a drumstick guy. I love my breast and my wings. You know, I love them wings. But this right here is delicious. Now, if you wanna use thighs, you can. That's fine. You can use breast too. And what I did was, I took the skin off of mine. I didn't mention that in the beginning that I did take the skin off mine. If you wanna leave the skin on, that's fine, but you know, you cook, you know, chicken skin on in the crock pot, yeah, that soggy skin. We won't eat that soggy skin. But the trick, not the trick, but the thing you can do is when you pull it out of the crock pot, just throw it under your broiler for a couple of minutes, get that skin crisp. But me, I ain't even want to go through all that. Just took the skin off, dropped it in the crock pot, and we good to go. So, until then, guys, I'm your cook, Spinelli. Y'all already know, all wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef, just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.